right. Cool.
We'd like to welcome the Tri-Spokes chapter of the Studebaker Drivers Club. They're here on the field today. They've been here before, and we're happy to have them back. These guys will be holding their monthly meeting at 12:30 under Paul Shuffleberg's canopy at Class 17. Go down, Class 17, look for the canopy and the Studebaker guys. That's at 12:30 today, their monthly meeting.
Used on one of these.
I can't hold it this long. Yeah. Got it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they, and but one thing that they have a General Motors or a GM transmission.
Oh, now, are we going to take off the surprise? Is the head good television?
That's a good size trunk.
I think we have 60 So take two, yeah.
Mandatory.
Or except for that were left on the line when they changed over, and ours was one that said
It's hotter than a Mexican whorehouse on a rainy day. Especially in leathers. Yeah. Is that yours, or are you just wishing?
That's mine.
Is it? What is that, 68 or so?
65.
65, wow. Is that the first year of this body style?
No, 63 was the first year. Went from 63 to 67.
This is the best body style.
I think so too.
Even the new Corvettes are awesome, but I still would take one of these over that.
I've driven some of the newer ones and they're wonderful, but they're a completely different car.
Yeah, yeah.
I prefer the old
This
ones.
one here, I mean, just was so much different for back in its time, you know. So even by today's standards, there ain't too many cars that look like this.
Yeah, it's pretty special. Thank you.
Yeah, that's the one. This one here.
I just said never again. Never again. Yeah.
Another 65.
No, nice boat.
As our car show has grown, we've needed additional help to keep things humming along, and that help has come from sponsors. We have some great sponsors contribute effort, time, and money to make our show a
This
success.
one's cool too.
Stephanie over at Max Market here in Stowe is
It's a 60.
on our list. Great helper. Casella Waste Management helps us pick up during and after the show. The Cooperative Insurance Company over there with Mary Michaels is another really good sponsor. Fred's Energy. Fred's Energy is a sponsor, and to tell you about Fred's
Little red
Energy,
Corvette.
Fred has a device that
66. Oh yeah, they're somewhat
fits
different
into
from
our
the 65, ain't they?
It helps power our
I think I like this
appliances
better.
there. We appreciate that. Fred also brings us LP gas. 7 days.
Ooh,
The
look at that
newspaper out of
mofo.
Shelburne helps us a lot. And so do Andy and Marty Barnett. Yes, VAE
Fucking
members
awesome.
go beyond the usual and
See where some
extend
get
financial
rubbed
and
it.
other help to our club and show. We appreciate all these folks.
Oh,
You
shit.
could be a sponsor too. If you'd like,
That's classic
talk
right
to
there.
anybody in the VAE and we'll get you.
This is done. That's pretty.
And I commented on someone lists all the cars or something. Yeah, used Corvette. Someone lists all the used Corvette. So I saw it. And when I did a comment, I guess
No kidding. 6-cylinder bet.
Wow.
62.
I
I think that guy said 63 is the first year like this. Oh yeah, because the fronts are different. Yep. Okay.